Doing a quick video here on what a choice of law and venue selection provision are in an agreement. So, choice of law is going to be part of a provision in your agreement that dictates which state and sometimes countries' laws will govern. Now, this is sometimes important if you're dealing with different countries, certainly important, and even sometimes with different states, it may be important. For example, California, very much pro-employee and pro-consumer, whereas New York, very much pro-business and not so much pro-consumer. And so the laws in those two jurisdictions may differ significantly depending on the transaction that that agreement is related to. So that choice of law provision can really make a difference if there's a dispute later. Now, venue, which usually goes in the choice of law provision as well, a venue selection clause, it's sometimes called, actually dictates which state, and then even more locally, which courts within that state a dispute would be heard in the event that there's a dispute over that contract. Now, interestingly enough, you can choose a specific state or country's laws to be applied in a different state's and local jurisdictions' courts. So you could have New York law applied in a California court. So you can see where this is quite important because even though they may be applying the law of another state, the judges may have certain leanings based on which state they are in. Not to mention the larger importance of the venue selection, where you're going to go to court, is really practical. Do you want to get up and fly to New York if you're based in California over a dispute for this contract? Or do you want your other party that you have a dispute with to come to you in California and fight them out in your courts where it's much more convenient for you? So choice of law, venue selection, these are somewhat boilerplate, but very important and very significant provisions that you should have in your agreement, and that is what they will do for you.